Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and welcome if you're new. My name is Tiasia. I don't even know what I'm doing in this video. Anyways, I decided to start a vlog because it is Friday. Too close. It is Friday. So, but right now I'm going to go get an oil change for my car, and then I have to go get a wax, and then after I get a wax I am going to watch a movie in the park. So I'll most likely record that part because I already told you about the wax thing. Like, we're not doing that. But I'll be back when I'm actually doing something. And I'm actually doing something this time in this video. That video, the video before this one, that was very, very short and I actually didn't have anything to do. And that was my real life. My life is very boring. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next clip. My car's getting its oil change right now.
Just outside of South Miami, in Southwest Miami-Dade, with local 10.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. I ended up I can't even talk. I did not end up going out last night because it started drizzling, and then when I got home, I fell asleep. I think I make my life pretty boring. That's the problem. But right now, I'm about to wash the dishes, and yeah. I don't know if y'all want to watch that, but I'll put like a small clip, maybe. By the way, it's like 7:17 in the morning. I don't even know why I'm up, but let's get to it. And I have a lash appointment at 11 o'clock. I'm not going to show me inside the house, but I'll show you guys the before and after. Because, like I said before in my other video, she lives in her house, and I'm going to respect her, space. Or I'll just ask her if I can record.
here?
I'm sending help to you. Are you with your brother?
Oh, he's back at the beach with the lifeguard.
Okay, how old is your brother?
He's 10.
Your parents there?
No, we went out alone. We shouldn't have. It's my fault. It's not my fault.
Tell me your name.
Owen. My name is Owen Strand.
California. Well, when I talked to his wife on the phone, she said he didn't have much time. So, I don't want to take up any more than I absolutely have to. Yeah, but the way this is, my guess is probably like a little moral support. I appreciate that. But it was like your first time in California to be the third generation. Hello.
Thanks for coming to get me. Don't mention it. It's exactly what I wanted to do today. Spend a little quality time with your bail bondsman. What the hell we think? Guess I wasn't. Yeah, I guess not. I mean, vandalism, Wyatt. Hang on, man. Be honest with me. Them other boys bully you into this? No. No, why would you even say that? Because this ain't like you, son. How would you know? Yeah, all right. I got it here. Don't got what? I'll just order an Uber and go meet up with some of the guys. No, you gonna get in the truck. Judd, I'm not. Wyatt, get your... You should go get showered up, see if you can get the click on you. It's only there for like 2 hours. Hey, it's not the time for sex right now, okay? We'll talk about next steps.
I'm waiting to go inside to get my lashes done, but this is how my lashes are looking right now. They need to be filled, but we'll see the after when I get out. My lashes are done. This is how they look. Cute, cute. I think they're a little bit longer from the last time. I don't know, I didn't ask her, but they look a little longer. But I think what I was about to say, y'all. I don't think I'm doing anything until later. It's currently 1 o'clock, so when I'm doing something else, I will come back. I don't know why I can't talk today, like, interesting, but yeah, I'll be back. Say hey to the camera.
Hi, camera.
They're not looking at you. It's the next day. I didn't end up going to Strike 10. I don't even know if I told you I was going to Strike 10, but I was supposed to go to Strike 10, but I got there at 12. And I think the kitchen was closed, and I was also hungry, so I ended up going to Twin Peaks. That's the clip before this, I believe. But I forgot to record today. Well, I only went to Restaurant Depot and Sam's Club. I'm pretty sure y'all didn't want to see that. But later on today, I'm supposed to be going to... I am out of breath, y'all. To Texas Day, Brazil. It's currently 4:30 right now, so if I do something before then, I'll pick up the camera. But I'm pretty sure I'm not. So I'll be back when I'm actually doing something. About to go to dinner. That's how I'm looking. I want a dress. No. It's too soft.
You put like $60.
Say hey to the vlog.
If personality be coming out little by little.
Say hey to the vlog.
Oh, what's up, big dog?
I got this. I got this.
We supposed to be boycotting Target
And
she
I
in
got
Target.
this. Marvin.
Boycotting Target while she support Target. Shaking my head.
Marvin. Aren't you in Target with me?
Black Lives Matter.
Aren't you in Target with me?
No.
You the one who drove.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I'm literally damaged.
Sure.
I'm taking medication. Like.
Please.
You like egg on your burger?
Like the one that runs? No. I think that's quite weird.
It tastes good.
What it tastes like?
Just egg.
Egg?
But like,
With yolk?
it's more of a texture than a thing.
Yeah, no, I can't do that. It's the next day. Like, I think like the last 3 things y'all seen was me eating, but I'm about to go eat again. Don't judge me. But this is what I have on. I have on long jeans with this crop shop. I got this shirt from TikTok, but I got it as a set, but I don't like the pants, so I just put the shirt on. The jacket in my mini Coach purse. But I'm about to go meet my friend Brittany. We're about to eat some tacos, I think. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. I made it to Taco Craft, but I'm not sure if she's here. Maybe I should call her. Yeah. But, well, I could just check on location. But it's over there somewhere. It's barely any parking. I'm waiting for it to update. And it's not updating. But she told me she was on her way like when I was leaving the house, so that was like 15 minutes. But currently it's 5 o'clock. Hopefully we get some deals because it is Tuesday. Anybody eat tacos on Tuesday? I don't even know if I said where we was going. I don't know why I can't talk, but it's pissing me off. But I am going to Taco Craft. I think that's what it's called. If it's not, then I don't know. It's called Taco Craft Taquita and Tequila Bar. That's what it's called. It says she's in Davie, so maybe she is close. But I'll come back when I am with her or when we inside. Hopefully they're not playing like loud music where I can come back and talk to y'all, but I'm pretty sure they are. So yeah. I made it inside, but they're playing loud music.
Okay,
Here's Brittany.
I'm fucking hungry. Oops, can you curse? So you
Oh no. I think I'm gonna
I be playing your videos to get you some, huh? I be playing your videos to get you views. My friends be like, who is that? Because I click on you by accident at the extra tab. Mind your business.
Oh my god. I'm gonna mute it because it got what's the name on it.
But it be little stuff like that. It's like, this ain't
You are.
This I'm gonna order another taco. This ain't enough.
I am done with my Taco Tuesday. It was okay. Like, I felt like it was too much. Like, I didn't put a dent in it for real. Let me show y'all. I did not put a dent in it. Like, it looks gross, but you know. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.